Hello and very warm welcome to RAFLIMS. This is Farooq Hussain. In this hands-on video tutorial, we will learn how we can customize the front end of Calibre eBooks management content server. So let's start this video. Here I have installed Calibre 7.19 on Windows 10, and at the very first step you need to open the Calibre eBooks management like this, and you need to tab on preferences where you will see the miscellaneous at the last, and there you need to open the Calibre configuration folder, and after this you need to open the Calibre uh, directory, the main directory where you have installed Calibre eBooks management. In most of the cases, C drive and the program file. But in my case, I have installed Calibre on my user account, and then you need to open this directory folder and you will see the app, and there you will see the resources. So you need to copy this resources folder and you need to paste at this Calibre configuration file folder. So there I have already copy and paste this folder, and when you open this folder, so you will see the content server and where we have index generated. So we need to work on index generated, and you can open this file in this is actually HTML file, and you can open this file on notepad or any HTML reader. So I am going to open this file, and you can copy this file first and you can keep it safe wherever you want to save. So I have already copied this and I have saved this. And now what we can do, we can actually change the favicon folder, favicon image here. See, this is the content server of Calibre eBooks management, and this small icon is called favicon. And you can replace this icon with your required icon. For example, I want to change this icon with my logo, so I can copy this and I will say copy image address. So you can use your website, your institute website or whatever, and there you can paste the link of your favicon. In my case, I'll use this, and you can save this, and then you can refresh this. So you will see it has changed with my logo. The next thing that you can do, you can actually work with the welcome note. So you can add a welcome note. See, you need to find this loading, please wait, and there you can add your message. So you can see this is loading, please wait. So you can add your message here, or in fact you can add your message here where you want to add. So for example, in my case, I just use a small welcome note. Instead of loading, you can write welcome to reference or welcome whatever. I mean, your library name, you can add this. Okay, so let me save this now. And when I load this, you need to concentrate. Here, this message will be here. For example, you can see welcome. Maybe you can see this. Okay, and then super fast, so you can't see the message. It's actually for Java mode. If you are working slow, then it will offer to load the basic template of Calibre eBooks management. So, and the next thing that you can do, you can increase the width of top bar. So the top bar is actually this bar. This bar is called top bar. This one is brown, dark brown, and you can increase the width here because it's too small, and we can increase the width, and we can, if your library name is something else, so you will see the library name completely here. So you can find this line V spacing, and that is 0.5 EX. Here, or you can just write the top bar, main top bar, and you will see this is the class name, and here you can see the V spacing, and you can increase this V spacing from 0.15 EX to 1.5 EX, or whatever the size suit to you, you can increase easily. And save this, and now you will see, now it has increased the width and it's look good. But if you go to increase much, I mean too much, so it will look odd. So you can change the color scheme as well. So add the lower body background color. So you need to find the background transparent. The very first, you can see the background transparent, and then you can change the color. It's quite simple. For example, I just write background. Background, it's too much. So I just copy this. When you come at the top, so you will see the very first thing is this one, and you will see the rest CSS, and you will see this is the background transparent, and this actually represent the background of the lower body of Calibre eBooks management. For example, uh, this is the main body of Calibre eBooks management, this one, this area, and this area is actually the upper body, and this area is the lower body. So you can change the color of lower body and the upper body as well, so, and the complete as well. So when you can, yeah, write any color here, instead of transparent you can write purple or any other color. When you go down, you will also see the transparent. So this transparent is for upper body. So you can change the color of upper body as well. But let us go one by one. So I'll just show you. I just change it to purple, and you will see this. Hello, this is Farooq Hussain. I have a good news. If you or your organization looking for expert deployment and training of any open source integrated library system, digital library system, institutional repositories, discovery and guided tools, standards and protocols, so you can connect me through my Fiverr account. It's fiverr.com/Farooq Hussain. fiverr.com /FURRUKHHUSSAIN, or you can directly connect me through my email address. It's farooq.hussain@gmail.com. So you will receive a 20% discount if you directly connect me through my email address. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste your time. Connect me now through Fiverr or my email address if you need an expert. Okay, so it's look good. Now it's purple. And what else we can do? We can go to here, and this background, if you see this background, this is actually for transparent color for upper body. This part actually, this background. And but it will not change this line. So let us change this to black, for example. Okay, and we can see this. Now this is black. We can remove this line from the top main top bar. We can remove it, but it will not look good. So let us go with the default, for example, transparent. And then you come down, you will see transparent here. That is actually for the background color. And for example, wet, just for example. So you will see red. When you open this, you will see red. This is background. But it's also not good. So what we can do, instead of having red or this color, we can go with the transparent, sorry. Here. And when you come down and you will search here, you just need to search default colors in caps format, default colors, and you will find from top to bottom, you will find this line. So whole color scheme is available here. So you can easily change this. So this is actually the light color and Windows background color is light. So you can change this to entire purple, for example, within quotation mark, you can write. And you can save this. Now this is entire purple, or you can use any other color. I would recommend to use light color, white, for example. And you also need to change the purple that you have changed here at the top. So now it's entirely white, or you can use any other color. By default, by light, we mean light brown color. This is default one. This is light brown color on the background and shaded with dark brown color. So light darker, this is the background color 2. Windows foreground, that is dark. Windows error foreground, that is red. I'll show you. See, this is red. Link color, blue and then red. This is hover color. Bar color is dark. So we can change this bar color. We can use like yellow, um, black, for example. And we can change this to purple instead of light. Or we can use half purple. That's up to you. Windows hover color is red, so we can change this to any other color. For example, we can see green here instead of red. Red, it's okay actually. The default color scheme is entire good, but if you want to change some, so I just want to show here. The heart color is red, so you can change the heart color as well. You can write black here. So this is black now. And list hover color is dark actually. So when you come here, so this is dark color. That's good actually. So you can change this to black. See, this is black now. Foreground color is actually light. So this is light. It's written with light. So you can change this to okay. This is just for example. I'm not actually creating some scheme here. Okay. And then button start, that is dark. Button, that is actually this button. So you can write red. and end with the black. Red and black. Button text, I think white is good for the dialogues background. Dialogues background image. Where's dialogues actually? I don't know where that. I think purple is not good here, right? So we can change this to any other color. And we can go upside and there can change the lower body. That's would be good. I think that's good. Okay. Okay, after the color, we have default sizes. So we can change the size of title. For example, it's 1.4 RAM. So we can change this to, for example, this is the title color. I mean, size, not color, it's size. So the size of title is 1.4, and we can change this to any other size. We can make it smaller, we can make it bigger. For example, 2.4, and let me save this and refresh this. So you will see the size is increased now. We can also change the list of titles. For example, it's 1.1 to 2.1. So there you can see the list of title. For example, let me refresh this. See, see, and what else we can change here? It's a item list with subtitles. So we can change this as well. And after these sizes, we have the font. So we can change this font to any other font, but let me go with the default one. So we can change this to serif, and you will see it has changed. See? And in fact, you can change this as well, this color as well. So uh, away. I think it will match the theme. It's look good. but it's little darker, so we can change with some lighter color, for example, platinum color code. And we can add the color code here. Can save this. You can use as per your library theme. So now this is what little better. It's match with black color. And I think size would be smaller. Font font would be default. I think default is better. Okay, so and this library name, you can change this library name, like this is Calibre library. So whatever the library you use here, for example, I have two libraries here. Let me show you. For example, you are using this Calibre library and you can use this reference library. So it will change the name here. See, that's it. And thank you very much for watching reference. This is Farooq Hussain. In the next video, we will learn how we can add the logo here, how we can add the photo, and some other tricks and tips. So keep watching reference. This is Farooq Hussain. And also we will try to hide this heart, but it's okay, let it go with the heart. Even you can change this donate to support Calibre. I mean, this text you can change here. So in the next video, we'll learn how we can change the entire theme, but this is for start, and you can easily work here with this theme. So thank you very much for watching Raflims. This is Farooq Hussain. Hello, this is Farooq Hussain. I have a good news. If you or your organization looking for export deployment and training of any open source integrated library system, digital library system, institutional repositories, discovery and guided tools, standards and protocols, so you can connect me through my Fiverr account. It's fiverr.com/Farooq Hussain. fiverr.com/FURRUKHHUSSAIN, or you can directly connect me through my email address. It's farooq.hussain@gmail.com. So you will receive a 20% discount if you directly connect me through my email address. So what are you waiting for? Don't waste your time. Connect me now through Fiverr or my email address if you need an expert.